Welcome to DevTech Minds. Today we are solving the second problem of 30 Days of Pandas, and the problem is recyclable low-fat products. Let's read the problem statement. This is the data we have. We have three different columns: product ID, low-fat, and recyclable. And the product ID is the primary key, and the low-fat is enum, which is of type Y and N, where Y means the product is low-fat and N means it is not. Similarly, recyclable is also enum, where Y means that it is recyclable and N means it is not. The question says write a solution to find the IDs of products that are both low fat and recyclable. So we need to find all those products that are low fat as well as recyclable. Hence, here the logic will be and, because if I use or, it will be either low fat or recyclable, but we want both, so we need to use the and logic. In the previous question we used the or, this time we need and. Okay, return the result table in any order, so the order is not the concern, and the result should look like this. So we only need the products, and we don't need the low fat or recyclable, we just need the product. So let's get started. Here we have the function already being created. Now if you guys seeing these type of function for the first time, let me just explain it. It is taking one parameter, although it has these two, but which means that this will be product, this will be the parameter it will take. So this is coming from the backend of this compiler, this products table, which has already been created. It is a data frame type table, so it is a pandas data frame type table coming to this function, which is def find product. So def defines that is a function, and it is a find product name is a function. Now it is also showing that this returns a data frame type. So we are not returning product, we're returning something, but which will be only of the data frame type. So that's what it is. Let's get started with the output. So I will create a variable in here. Let me just copy this, and I'll create the variable with the same name. I'll just add a df because we're taking the data frame entirely, and I'll copy this. So that'll be products, and I want products and based on some conditions. So we need two conditions. So I'll provide the conditions inside these brackets or parentheses, and we need to satisfy both the condition. That's why there is an and, right? So that is what my output should look like. I'll put the condition later on, but I'll need to return something, and we need to return this find product df, and from that we need to return only the product ID. So that is here, and that's what I will return, right? So now we need to provide the condition. The condition is that the first condition is that low fat has to be yes. So products low fat, let me just copy this, low fats it is, so copying it and pasting it. Now it has to be yes, so it has to be y because it has y or n. So equals y, that's it. And the same thing I will do for this one. So let me just copy it in here, and yeah, so I'll just change the low fat to recyclable. That also needs to be yes. So right, now it should return the correct output. Let me just check it, let me run it. Right, so you can see it is returning the product ID 1 and 3, which is correct. Now you can submit it. I hope you understand this. If I zoom it a little and explain it to you later on, right? So you can see that this is the function which has already been created, which is taking product, which is a data frame type, and it is returning some data frame, which is find product df. That is what I'm returning. Now you can see that I have created another variable in which I'm taking all those products in which low fat is yes and product is recyclable. So both the conditions are meeting, and I'm returning only the product ID. So I hope you understand the question. So that's all in this video. I'll see you in the next one.